Hello, my name is Anne. Today I'm going to be drinking a large McDonald's Sprite with no ice in it. Don't mind me, I'm watching Quiet on the Western Front. Please excuse random gunshots. But fun fact, I can't burp. I don't know how to burp. I never burp. So I'm going to drink this whole thing and see if I burp or not because I'm myth busting today. Might as well call me BuzzFeed. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm not really good at, oh my eyes are watering. I'm not really good at chugging, but I haven't burped yet, so. This hurts my head. How do these people do this? I think I'm gonna throw up. Like, I don't think I can fit that in my stomach. Like, I did it, but I actually think I'm going to throw up. Like, I fully think I'm going to throw up right now because, dude, I don't know how to burp. I don't. Oh. Yeah, just like aggressively. I think you throw up if you can't burp. Because I guess that's like the same thing. Yeah, just throw up. Never burp though, so I guess I'm awesome. Do you feel like you're gonna burp?
I don't know.
Rude.
What?
You did it. You did it. Now you can burp.
Oh my gosh. What do I do? Oh my goodness!
You bitch! So this is my 5th attempt of trying to drink a whole Sprite without burping. Let's see if I can do it. It's so spicy. It's hard to breathe. Doesn't feel good.
It's hurting my brain.
Io non sono d'accordo. Vai uomo. Cazzo ridi. Uomo. Viva. Però tu un figlio, devi ridere e basta. Pensa ai cani che muoiono. Ma mo stai parlando solo tu. No! Funziona! Ma mi faccio truccare, per favore, funziona!
Seeing if I could drink all of this Sprite without burping. I did this with Diet Coke before, and it did not go well. I'm also going to blindfold myself, so I have no idea how much liquid is left. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. I'm not gonna, like, chug... Alright, anyways, I'm not gonna, like, chug it hardcore, but I'm just gonna try to drink the entire thing without burping. Way better start than last time so far. Okay, never mind. Oh god. Okay, I think I might have to just start chugging. Okay. I might not be able to speak. When I speak, I feel like I'm gonna burp. So much carbonation. How is this still so heavy? I've had so much. Oh, it's like hurting. It's like hurting up here. Is that normal? Do I need a doctor? Oh no. No, 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 no! Surely I'm at least halfway there. Oh, it's hurting lower too. I can do this. I can't do it. I can't do it. That's it! Oh my god. That's all I got? That's pathetic.
Okay, I just saw a video of a girl trying to finish a bottle of Sprite without burping. Spoiler alert, she didn't do it. So I got me a bottle of Sprite, and I'm gonna try it. I should probably get it all out of my system before. Oh my god, I haven't even had any yet. How am I gonna do this? Cheers! Oh, sorry, smacked you in the face. Okay, I'm scared. Here we go. Oh god, it's already... Focus! No. I have to like suppress it already. It's like hurting. It's... Oh my god, I have to go fast or I'm not gonna succeed. Do I chug? I don't know. It hurt. I'm so close. It hurts. Oh my god, I'm so close. Oh my god. No. Oh, I was so close!
Right, here we go. Come and sit down.
What have you actually got to do?
Here you go. Right, it's quite simple. You've just got to try and drink the whole bottle without burping. That's it. Yeah?
Who even thinks of this? It's not even a thing.
Everyone has been sending it me, and so I always do your challenges.
What
It's your
happens?
turn. Nothing, it just makes you do a big burp, basically.
I don't really like burping.
Well, don't burp then. It's a challenge. Who can get down the bottle the most without burping,
So
basically?
the idea is to not burp.
To not burp.
Well, so you've got to hold it in.
You've got to drink the whole thing without burping. That's
You're going
it.
to explode.
You
I'll
won't.
explode.
You
I
won't.
will.
You won't. Right, come on then. Cheers.
Cheers. So I've got to beat you.
How much of it can you
Fizz
drink?
mine
I
up.
didn't fizz it
Are
up.
you going fast or slow?
I've genuinely not even practiced, so
Get
I
it
don't
down
know.
your gullet and go fast. My strategy is to go slow and fast.
This is hard.
Oh, is he failing in the first minute? Are you actually really like finding it hard? You've gone too fast. See, I'm slow. My strategy is slow. What, do you hold your
You've not
breath?
even drank anything.
I'm going slow.
How slowly?
This is a
And once
strategy.
you drank tonight.
This is my Sprite strategy, okay? You've gone a bit red.
There's a real problem bubbling here.
What a rumble. Mate, don't let it out. Don't let it go. Don't let it come. Oh yeah,
So
now I know.
close.
Oh god. No, what do you do? I'm panicking. Don't panic.
Oh god, I'm sweating.
My nasal area feels like it's going to explode. Oh.
God, this is painful. I can't. I can't talk. I can't talk.
How do you contain a burp? It's like trying to hide a fart. It just doesn't work. I feel like there's coming. You sounded like a dragon. Are you right? Oh. Are you okay? Push it out.
Go on. Go on. Go on, don't. Thanks for everyone that suggested that. I'm really glad we did that.
I just feel like I need to lay down there.
Apparently, you can't drink a full bottle of Sprite without burping. I've seen so many people try this and they all fail. But I'm gonna tell you right now, my mama ain't raised no failure. So I think I'm gonna pour the Sprite into this bottle and then...
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
Back up, no. Oh.